This is where we are trading to just survive for living. The Igbo peoples in Old Garage. We are not partisan, and they said that the reason why them are breaking it is because we are part of PDP. That we are part of PDP, and that we are the people that voted PDP in to win. Yes, we can cast our vote and we will make our choice. I don't see the reason why it will be like this, because we have every reason to exercise our franchise. I don't see the reason why it will be like this. It's not like this. It's not supposed to be like this. Let them tell us. If we are not the same one Nigeria, they will tell us. If they want us to leave, let them tell us. It's not like this, and it's not supposed to be like this. Yes, and I still know that even in our side at Igbo land, we still have brothers and sisters like Yorubas. They are still in our place. We are not treating them like this. I don't see the reason why our own will be different. Please, please, please. The kind of things that we are receiving, this is not the first time. Even the past election, we see that. Even this present one, we see that we are still seeing it. I don't know whether we are safe here or whether we are not. I don't know. Please.